So welcome back. As mentioned yesterday, Nifty had a stiff resistance at this point, 14,856, and today we can see an inside bar again. The market did come down, but not that much, which can breach the low of 14,612. So now daily, still this is a strong resistance, which is a Kumo top area. So above this we can see the trend may continue or else below this. Now again, this was an inside bar after the expiry, and again we have seen an inside bar here at the baseline. So this area is a confluence of a strong resistance with the baseline and the Kumo zone, which is 14,856 over here. So let us see on the smaller time frame. When we see the daily, we don't get a clear idea of how this reaction happened over here. But one thing is to mention that the Kumo is strong enough to hold resistance, and here the baseline, which was on the daily, is 14,801. And if we switch over to the lower time frame, this is the 5 minute, this is the 15-minute time frame, this is the 60-minute and 240-minute. So now the daily one, let us see the daily. So daily level was somewhere near 14,800 or 14,794. So it had a gap down today, and exactly from that particular point you can see over here on this candle particularly. Let me zoom to this chart. So this was the gap down from this point, and below the baseline, below the 9 EMA, and the market did not attempt to break this level, which was the daily resistance of the baseline, and it fell from this particular point from 14,809. Maybe we got again entry at 14,791, and then it made a initial low of 14,708, again rising over here and again falling to the low of 14,673. So good fall in the Nifty today, a gap down and continuation on the downside. But similarly at this level, if we see on multiple time frame, this particular point, this was also the same 9 EMA resistance on the 15-minute, and similarly on 60-minute also it was a resistance over here at this point, and this area was a strong uh, past Kumo resistance, which was exactly somewhere near 14,842, which was previous day. And today the market opened gap down, and the market stayed below the 9 EMA on the whole day. And again, if we see the larger time frame one, we can see over here, this was again the baseline resistance of same level, 1408. When I keep the mouse over here, you can see the crosshair on the lower time frame charts also. So this was a strong area to breach 14795, 1408. So still it seems to be weak on the smaller time frame, but if we go to the daily time frame, we can see over here having an inside bar. So tomorrow is expiry, and we can see some action above 14,900 very frankly, or below we can have a some action of 14,612, or maybe this could act as a support area and a gap fill area, which is also 9 EMA Tenkan-sen, which stands at 14,580. So maybe a good opportunity again go long on smaller time frame if we get a confirmation at 14,580 and see what we get for the expiry 00. Still market would range into this whole Kumo, because it has entered after a steep fall. So this is the structure right now. This support was there, it breached again, dual support was there, still it has been taking the support from this Kumo end, from bottom of the Kumo to the top of the Kumo. So range bound over here, but on a smaller time frame we can play around with this kind of a confirmation. 4 hour we break above 14,800, that could be the game changer for the Nifty, or maybe we can come down to 14,580 or somewhere near low to that, and we can see the bounce again, because also 240-minute chart 9 EMA stands at 14,572, which is similarly the daily zone of somewhere near 9 EMA of 14,570. So this is for the Nifty, and let us see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again having that resistance and this support already has been drawn over here. So playing into that range weaker than the index itself. Again today it has been closed at the support of the Kumo over here. So holding this, we can see an some sideways consolidation in Bank Nifty. Either if it breaks over here somewhere near 34,215, then only we can see a strong upside, maybe till the level of 34,880, maybe of 35,200. But holding this area of support, and right now the support stands also over here at 32,815. So tight range for Bank Nifty. Similarly, if you drop down to the level of smaller time frame in Bank Nifty, so let us see what the time frame says. Multiple time frame confirmation is good to understand what the market is telling to you. So this was again a same thing scenario over here. This was the 5-minute chart. It broke below this baseline and stayed below that particularly. A very sharp fall and came down to the level of 33 156. Again a rise and again a consolidation at the end of the session. So this area was a confluence. You can see on the 5-minute below baseline, 15-minute you can see similarly on the 15-minute below the baseline breakdown over here. Okay, right. And if we see uh, the same candle over here on the 60-minute, which was taking a area of Kumo resistance on this particular 60-minute chart. See this effect, click over here. This is the same zone, right? This is the same zone. We can see the action happening over here. So multiple time frames suggest this is a strong area of resistance over here. If I draw this, you can find out how this market reacted, right? So this was rejection from the Kumo, and once it closed below the 9 EMA, it took a support at the 26-day Kijun line, which was exactly at this point particularly. So same support taken over here on the 5-minute time frame, and it reversed a bit nicely from here, 33,159 to 33,466. So 3 to 400 point upside it had it on this particular bounce from the 60-minute Kumo. So now let us see how the market actually reacts to this. And one more thing, on the 4-hour time frame, it is holding the 9 EMA. If you see, if I zoom this chart over here, right? So this is a 9 EMA support which was holding over here. If I draw a horizontal line over there, right, you can see this was exactly the 9 EMA support on 4-hour, and same as the baseline on 1 hour, and that's why also a Kumo bottom support at the 15-minute, and a 5-minute chart it reversed nicely to the level of 34 433. So that's it for today. We'll post a new video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.